Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a custom Monopoly board plus. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I will just open here my browser and I will directly search for the custom board Monopoly plus online. So here I can see, okay. So to create that, you can see here post has soon. So here you need to just to pay a $10 for a custom board that you will do, and you have to find the option to a local market, and here we can see. So pretty sure you have to find your friends also to play. So here you can see Monopoly here. Okay, so you can buy from here on the Monopoly's site. So you will just agree your cookies from here. So you will just click your choose your Monopoly, just for whichever Monopoly you want to play. So here we just to buy. Okay. So from here you have the error from here. So here it is asking for a platform. So you can just select one of them. Just like a PC. So digital. Okay. So here it is edition Monopoly Plus, Monopoly Switch, anything you want to buy. So plus and then buy now. So when you will just click here, so it will directly like here you have to pay for a subscription fee from here you can see you have to pay 15.9 like 14.99 and get the game. So you can just play from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.